Okay, welcome to J&S Commercial Van Sales Limited. This one is the late 1868 reg Ford Transit Custom Limited WAV MPV wheelchair accessible minibus. It's in the dark metallic grey, lovely colour, new facelift model for the year. It's got the wheelchair conversion on the vehicle. It's a one owner. It's come direct from Motor Mobilities. Low mileage, 31,000 miles. It's got the LED lights. It's the limited titanium model. Nice colour, low mileage. It's got the extra seats in the rear. 2 seats there, 1 seat folded up at the rear here. It's also got the electric winch for pulling the wheelchairs in, and the drop down ramp at the rear. So the ramp goes up to the rear of the vehicle. It's got a electric winch which you can use here. If you're in your wheelchair, it'll pull you straight into the rear of the vehicle by the winch here. Or you can remove this if you don't require it. You can use it as a van, or it would make a nice camper van conversion. Just folds up to the rear of the vehicle. Nice and light to use. They call it the Independence model. Got the rear heating on the roof there and rear surround sound. Cloth seats. 6-speed gearbox, air conditioning. It's got the big tablet there for connecting your phones to. Bluetooth, cruise, multifunction steering wheel, air conditioning, heated seats. It's got the overmats fitted. Lovely condition, nice clean minibus. Couple of small little scratches just on one of the side loading doors I did notice when I was walking round. Just a small bush scratch. You can just see it here on this door here. Small scratch, and one just here. Just coming on to 32,000 miles only. It's a Euro 6 engine, low emissions diesel engine, and the beauty about this one, there's no VAT to add on the price, no VAT. One owner, low mileage, no VAT, Ford Transit Custom Limited MPV wheelchair accessible WAV minibus, direct Motor Mobility. Lovely vehicle. In stock, it's ready to go. We've got a choice of them in at the moment. We've got one in blue as well. No VAT, and we've got other minibuses, MPVs and crew cab vans, all on the website. jsvans.co.uk. Okay, thanks for tuning in to our YouTube channel, and hope to speak to you soon.